How do you do, dear fashion bosses? So in today's class, we're learning how to arrange and tack this luxury 3D applique. Very trendy, okay? So if this is what you want to learn, stay to the end of the class. Alright, so we already have our applique done. We have extensive video on how we achieve this. Link is in the description, okay? Please get yourself abreast. But in today's class, we are just going to learn how to arrange it and tack, which, you know, from feeders, we've realized that it's been a problem to a few or a lot of people. Okay, how we did all of this, the extensive video is on the channel. So I just pick up two of my applique like this, okay, and then I'm going to tack it together using my needle and thread. Neatly tacked, okay? Your thread should not be seen anywhere at all. So just follow what I'm doing. I started by picking up two of the appliques, okay, and then I am tacking. So I said earlier that how we achieve this applique from scratch to finish, you know, the fabrics, the material, you know, we made different types of applique in that video. How to make the transparent 3D applique transparent is in that video. How to make the one with fabric is in that video. The one with organza is in that video. How to attach your copper wire, how to attach your trimmings. In fact, that video is fully packed, okay? Please, I think it's about 33 minutes or thereabouts, so you can imagine, fully packed. Please, I encourage you to see that video, okay? And whilst at it, like, share and subscribe so that you can be seeing more videos as we drop them. All right, so I continue tacking in this manner. Please watch what I am doing, how I am taking it from behind, from the front, tacking from the front and tacking from the behind. Just watch. This is how to arrange. Even if the shape you are doing is not this shape, it's the same method. So I pick up the third one, okay, and I continue tacking. Something that will help you, let me just drop this, okay? It's something that will actually help you before you start tacking, okay? If you noticed, I tried arranging the applique to see what the shape I wanted, what it will look like when I'm done tacking. So I pick up this two piece again. I'm going to continue that, okay? And then I place it. Notice that I am placing to see what it is looking like, removing which I think shouldn't be there and replacing it with something else. So you already have a picture of, you know, what you are trying to create somewhere in your mind as a creative, okay? So you say, I think I am okay with this. So I pick up that two, I drop it aside, and then I'm going to tack this two now to the first three. I tack this two first, and then I'm going to tack it to the first three that is sitting on the table that we've tacked earlier, okay? So you should have a picture of what you want to achieve. Peradventure, you don't even have a picture. When you start putting them together, arranging them on your table, because your mind is creative. That is the way God has made it, okay? You will start having ideas of what it looks like. And then if the client had already sent you a picture of what he or she wants, actually, you try arranging it first before putting your needle and thread to it. So I'm just going to continue placing it like this and tacking because I already gotten the picture of what I want, okay? So I just keep placing it like this. You see that we did not use gum to glue these things together, okay? So because if you use gum and then you now realize that one is not sitting well, that's not what you wanted, taking off the gum, it has messed up your fabric, messed up your applique and all of that, and then, you know, you are stuck, you don't know what to do. But if you loosen the thread that you used to tack, your applique is still intact, very much intact and all neat for you, okay? So it's advisable that you tack. So I just continue arranging this way, the way I am arranging it. So this is the picture of what I want to have. So I'll just tack it the way it is, okay, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So guys, I am done tacking, giving the techniques I gave you, okay. This is what we have, okay, when we're done tacking, all right, using that same techniques. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to show you how I embellished it using my stones, okay. So this is my stone and my glue gun. I just apply my glue gun, it is plugged already. Apply my glue gun on my stone, and then I'm just going to be placing it on specific places, you know, where I want my stone to sit on. So guys, this is how to go about these things. It is luxury but not difficult to put together. You know, all you need, like I always say to you guys, is an idea on how to go about these things. That is why I am here to give you that idea. You know, it's just an idea you require, how to go about it. So please do well to watch the entire video, the video that has the entire tutorial from scratch to finish. You learn how to make both the fabric applique and the transparent one. I also have another video down there on the channel on how to use wadding to achieve the same applique, different types and techniques. I have them on this video. Please do well to watch them. Like, subscribe so that you see further videos, okay. So I just continue, you know, applying my glue to my stone and then placing them in specific places, okay. This is how to go about these things, guys, okay. Subscribe, like, share. Here on this channel we upload sewing tutorials, headwear tutorials, and then we've introduced little entertainment for your little what do you call that thing, African folktale videos, okay, for your entertainment purpose, okay. As you watch and learn, you also click on videos, you know, that will keep you entertained, and then of course you also get to learn great morals from those videos, okay. So don't just ignore them. Watch those videos, short African folk tales videos, with your friends, children, colleagues, neighbors, and all of that, okay. Here on this channel we've got your back, guys, okay. So I just continue placing my stone this way, guys. We're almost done placing the stone, okay. We're almost done placing the stone. You see how beautiful, how neat it is looking, okay. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, give a thumbs up. The thumbs up enables the video to go viral. It enables other people to see it and also learn from it, okay. Don't be a stingy, okay. Let other people see what you are saying, okay. And that can only happen when you give a thumbs up, you like, and you share, okay. So guys, we are done placing our stone. Can you beat this? Can you beat this? And this is the final look. So this process is applicable to whatsoever shape you want to acquire. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.